If you're looking for an all-in-one, all-exclusive video editing platform that basically covers everything, and on top of that comes with some of the best AI tools that you can utilize today to make your video editing and take it to the next level, make professional videos, then look no further, because in today's video I'm going to share with you a very unique and a very amazing platform by the name of FlexClip. I don't know if you've ever heard about it, but FlexClip is an all-in-one platform that allows you to create some amazing videos, and on top of that it comes with tons of different tools that you can utilize to take your video editing to a whole new level, guys. And on top of that, all of these video editing tools are absolutely free to use. You can even create a free video without even having an account. How amazing is that? And that's why in today's video I'm going to walk you through what this platform has to offer and how you can utilize FlexClip to basically make any video that you want. And guys, I'm going to create a playlist for this amazing platform thanks to FlexClip for providing me a business account, and I'll be utilizing this opportunity to create as much tutorials for you. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so that you can see when I release all those amazing tutorial videos, so that you can utilize them to create whatever you want. With that said, let's head over to my screen so that I can show you what this FlexClip platform has to offer. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we can see that we're on the home page here of FlexClip. It says flexible editing, stunning clips. Easily create and edit your videos for your brand, marketing, social media, family, and other purposes. So right then you can see that it is flexible and you can do quite a lot with this website here. It also allows you to create by templates, or you have the flexibility to create from scratch. Now before I go any further guys, I want to show you what these navigation contain. So you have templates here which you can click on, and you can see quite a lot of templates here guys that you can scroll through. They have quite a lot of categories and you can either view them or you can jump right into customization. Right now under create you have quite a lot. They give you 3 categories here, let's say 3 broad categories. You have business, you have lifestyle, and you have social media, right? So under business you have the promo, real estate, news, corporate, trailer, tutorial. Under lifestyle you have travel, music, anniversary, memorial, weddings, birthday. Social media contains YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and so much more. Right now they also have an AI section that you can use these AI tools. They have an AI text to video, AI video script, AI blog to video, an AI image generator, an AI text to speech, and AI auto subtitle, and an AI background remover. These are some pretty useful and handy AI tools that you can use at your disposal to make your work easier, right? So that's pretty useful. And under tools you have a crazy amount of different tools that you can use. Slideshow, meme generator, GIF maker, screen recorder, convert audio, change video speed, trim, merge, compress, convert video speed curve, rotate, guys, so much more. Look at that. You also have add watermark to video, you have add transition video, you picture in picture, motion graphics, guys. So much this website is actually offering that you can use for free by simple logging in with your Gmail account or your Facebook account. Pretty useful. And they not only stop at that, they give you quite a lot of content that you can learn from that will help you to better use all of these tools as well. So that's pretty handy. Now let me go back to the main home page here. So let's scroll down here guys. As I mentioned before, that you can create by template or you can start from scratch with your projects, right? And as you can see here, it is trusted by some of the big hitters in world right now, such as YouTube, Windows, Google, Dropbox, Facebook, Visa, and I'm sure that there are way more companies that are currently utilizing FlexClip right now. And here are some of the categories. As mentioned, they have recommended, business, store, intro and outro, community, sports, wedding, slideshow, and marketing, and so much more. If you click more, you will see quite a lot more templates as well. If you scroll on a bit more, you can see where they mention about the AI tools that you can use, the AI text to video, which you basically put in your text and it will generate a video for you. You have an AI video script, which you can also do as well. And you also have the AI image generator, which you basically describe what you want the image to be and it will generate that image for you, right? If you scroll on here as well, you realize that they mentioned that it comes with quite a lot of elements, right, and transitions as well. So over 1,000 plus text, animation and presets, millions of dynamic of vectors, elements, and rich transitions and overlay, right? And here on the right hand side, you can see some of those sneak preview of some of what they're giving you as well. Here you can see as well that it comes with over 4 million royalty free stock assets, right? So you can basically utilize that as well. Collaborate, you can easily add anyone to collaborate on any project that you have. That is very handy and very useful when working on projects today. So really good addition there. Powerful video tools, guys, that you will need. As I mentioned, we look at those from the drop down. You have quite a lot of tools that you can utilize. It also comes with a video editor that you can use, a movie maker, slideshow maker, screen recorder, and so much more, guys. So it's very useful. So as you can see, guys, this is a very useful platform that you can utilize today and start for free and start creating some really stunning videos and really amazing projects, right? And the good thing about it is that it comes with quite a lot of useful AI tools that you can utilize and other free tools, quite a lot. So this is an all-in-one platform in order to create a professional video, whichever project or niche that you want to create a video for. This platform will help you to get the job done. And in order to sign up, it is pretty easy, guys. And here you can see as well that you can either click on create a video, which will take you into the video editor here that you can utilize by simply uploading whichever content you want, or you can utilize those free stock footage by simply go to videos or photos. You can utilize that. As you can see here, there are different templates that you can choose from. If you have your own media, you can do it. Text, you can basically go here and utilize quite a lot of different text style that they have there. Subtitles you can do auto subtitles as well. Videos, you can utilize their stock content that they have as well. Same goes for the photos and the same goes for music. So you can basically go through different music mood and genres. You can choose sound effects as well, which is very handy as well. So quite a lot, and they have lots of elements that you can choose from and overlays, and there's the additional tools that you can utilize as well. So pretty amazing stuff. And to sign up is pretty easy, guys. Just simply go ahead. You can sign up from the home page, as I mentioned before. Let me go back to the home page. You can come here and basically sign up with your Google account or your Facebook. Just simply click on Google there, select your email address, and this will sign you up. Pretty easy there. Now at the moment I have the business plan, guys, and give thanks to FlexClip for giving me a business plan so that I can bring to you all the tutorials as much as possible so that you can learn how to use the platform. So I'll be sharing with you from time to time quite a lot on this website. As you can see, it has quite a lot of tools. And guys, in order to learn more, just go ahead and check out the playlist on my channel so that you can find much more tutorials on how to use this amazing platform, right? I'll be sharing you how to use every single feature within this platform so that you can create and make amazing videos, and also how you can collaborate with people to get your amazing projects on the way. With that said, guys, I really appreciate that you taking the time to watch this video. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. And if you'd like to see any other tutorial, go ahead, write in the comments below. Let me know what you'd like to see so that I can bring those tutorials for you. And if you have any other questions, go ahead, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button so that I know that you appreciate and you like content like this one. With that said, thank you very much and see you next time.